Okay, we are day number 5 of our trek to Mount Everest Base Camp, and we've had a great trip so far. Had perfect weather flying into Lukla, and got an early start, and made our way to Monjo by that evening. And then the following day we entered Sagarmatha National Park and crossed the bridges over the Kosi River, and made our way up Namche Hill into Namche, where we spent 2 nights. So we spent 2 nights in Namche. We did a cultural walk and tour on the first day that we had there, and then we yesterday made our way from Namche up to Dingboche. We went by the Dingboche monastery. We stopped in for a special blessing, and then we stay in this tea house right here, the Rivendell, for our group up here in Dingboche. So we haven't had great weather as far as views of the mountains yet. They've been a bit of high clouds. We've had a little bit of rain at night, so it kind of makes some high clouds. Hopefully today things burn off a little bit. We're going to make our way from Dingboche up through Dingboche. From Dingboche we'll go a little further, we'll have lunch, and then by the afternoon we'll be up in Pheriche. We go up into Pheriche and spend 2 nights there. I like that area. I like that tea house, and we're at the Himalayan Rescue Association's medical aid post, where we've done some work. This last year we built a new lecture hall, so we're going to go attend the lecture tomorrow in Pheriche. And last week I committed to doing a 3-year plan to rebuild the medical aid post there in Pheriche. So the weather's nice today. The rain has stopped. You can see some blue sky here, and hopefully we'll have some clear, good views of Amada Blum and the upper mountains, Lhotse and Everest by the day's end. The yaks are coming in here. They're going to get loaded up. We use yaks to transport all of our duffel bags as we go up the valley. So they're here. We've got Mingma and Nuwang, our yak drivers, our yak team, and we've got 5 yaks for this group. It's a little bit smaller group. There's 7 people on the trip plus myself, and I've got a support crew of our team, local team, with 5 Sherpa guys. And it's good. It gets them back to work. It's been a couple of those tough years, but it gets them back to work and they get on their way. So we'll do that and make our way up to Pheriche by this afternoon. And hear those yak bells going. And the dog's kind of keeping them in line, I guess. But yeah, we'll have a great day, great hike, and it looks like really beautiful. It's been great hiking weather, little cool. Yesterday coming up the hill, the rhododendrons were blooming as they do in the springtime, and we just had a fantastic day. The temps have been really nice for hiking, which gives us a great day out on the trail. So looking forward to another fun day, another awesome day of trekking up towards Everest Base Camp. We'll make our way to Pheriche, and hopefully the mountains and the clouds give us some good views of the high mountains. Hey Prashant.
Hey. Hello. Morning.
How's your day going?
It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Having fun?
Yeah, it's really fun and really happy to join this team.
How's the group doing?
Yeah, group is doing very well. They are working very good and doing very well everything.
Where are we going today?
Today we are going to Pheriche.
How's Pheriche? What's Pheriche like?
Pheriche is like a little big valley and little windy and very cool.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we'll get one day closer to Everest Base Camp.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Thank you.